Direct replacement for the factory saddlebag lid handle. Offering improved ergonomics and easy operation with integrated rubber pad for sure-fingered grip. Made from quality A380 aluminum with a brilliant gloss black finish. Includes gloss black left saddlebag latch handle, gloss black right saddlebag latch handle. Suggested tools for installation, not includes tour driver's set. Compatible with Harley-Davidson models, 14 to 19 Electra glides, road kings and street glides. Excludes FLHXSE and FLTRXSE. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfect. Easy to install. The latches fit perfect and were easy to install. Just remove the original screw and reuse it to install the new latch. The latches are a little bit longer than the OEM latches, but it allows you easier access to your saddlebag. They also have a rubber grip near the eand that reduces slip when open in gthe saddlebag from your seat on the motorcycle.